Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show. And in this channel, we talk about beards. We go over products, we do reviews, and do live streams. And in this video in particular, we're gonna be talking about 5 things you can do to grow out an epic beard. Number 1, time. Give yourself at least 3 to 5 months of time. Put aside your family, put aside your friends, put aside your girl or boyfriend, and give yourself some time to grow out that beard. Time is the most crucial part when growing out a beard. And if we can keep track of that time, we can know now if our beards are growing fast or slow, and we can know how much time we need to grow out our beard. Number 2, motivation. Find yourself some motivation. Let it be either on the internet or find some friends or coworkers that are also going through the beard journey. This is very important because in those few weeks to months, you're gonna be going through some awkward stages of the beard growth, and those people and support systems in your life will help you push past that problem. That's right, there's gonna be some times where you're not gonna know what's going on and if you are going in the right direction, but if you have that support and you have direction of where you need to go, that way you can push through those weeks and months into the 3 to 5 months that you need to grow out, and that way we can have epic beard glory. Number 3, products. Products are gonna be one of the most important things that you're gonna need for your beard. And the most basic things you can come across are gonna be oils or balms. They're gonna really hydrate, they're gonna exfoliate, they're really gonna bring your beard into its own. Now, there are a wide range of products going from oils and balms into butters and even more different kinds of oils to actually help you grow out your beard if you're having spots or patches. And if we use those products correctly, we can really make a nice look, staying away from that hobo-y, messy. We have a nice shine to our beard. Number 4 on the list is gonna be tools, all right? We need tools to help support the products for our beard. Now, depending if it's a brush or a comb, if it's going to be a hair straightener or even a cut buddy, these things really help out the beard, the look, the style by using tools. Now, the tools are really gonna help out with the gaps in our beard game. So if we have any patches or if we have any holes in our beards, if we style it right with either a brush or a comb, or even using straighteners, can actually help alleviate those problems. Now, adding those tools to your beard growth game, even having a hair dryer to the comb, can really help straighten out our beard. We can style it out even better than just using our hands or just using just an air dry look. Okay, using these tools can really create just that nice fine style achievement of beard growth that we all want. Number 5 on the list is gonna be lifestyle. Now, in general, we all know that we need to be eating a nice diet, okay? Having, nice green vegetables, eating good clean meats, but we all know from time to time we gotta go to Whataburger, In-N-Out, get that double-double, or that 3x3 sandwich that we all love. We definitely wanna be eating the right things, drinking enough water to hydrate ourselves, that way our skin's looking good, our hair's nice and thick and dense, because if we stray off that path, the hair starts looking greasy, our skin's gonna start looking bad, and that moves on us to the stress level of our lifestyle. We all gotta go to work, we all have to do those daily things that no one really wants to do just to have life be coherent as it is. And if we start stressing out to those max levels, we actually could start losing beard hair. Actually, hairs can start splitting, and not only that, I believe your hygiene starts going south. So definitely stay in like a positive mood and try to not let work and life overrun you. So definitely be in a positive Patty mode. I always tell my wife that. Stop being a negative Nancy, try being a positive Patty, all right? And I think these 5 things can definitely help anybody out in that beard journey. They're starting to think, you know what, I wanna have a nice, big looking, nice thick beard. And by kind of going to buy these 5 things can really help that person, you out. Just by having, kind of a nice set 5 things to say, you know what, I need some time, some support, some products, some tools, and some healthy lifestyle. That's actually just a great start to grow out a great, nice, epic beard. That being said, love you guys. Make sure to check out the live stream, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, check me out on all that social media. Love you guys like always, and I'll see you guys on that flip side. See ya!